Hi, my name is Shawn from Kincardine, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tester for Life program sent me the Napier Truck Tent. I put the Napier Truck Tent to the test by staying in it a couple of nights. Where I live, it's middle of October right now. Last couple of nights have been pretty windy and rainy, and the tent held up pretty good. No leaks, and plenty of room for myself and my son. I would definitely recommend the Napier Truck Tent to my friends and family and anybody else that's interested in it. The only two issues I can see right now are if you wanted to drive your vehicle, you'd have to take it down to drive your vehicle. And it took about 20 minutes to set up, and it took two of us to do it. Other than that, it's been great. Held up to the weather conditions here in Kincardine, which can get pretty interesting living so close to the lake. And yeah, it's definitely worth the buy.